Hi guys, ito yung achar. Asawa ng pastor namin yung nagbigay. At ngayon ay wala siyang oil. Tignan nyo, walang oil. So, nag-init ng oil yung amo ko lalaki ngayon para ilagay dito. So, nandun siya sa kusina. Aray ko. Hi sir.
Hi,
What are you doing?
I just making boil this mustard oil with garlic, and when it will boil, then we'll make it cool and put it in the achar pickle. So this will be make very tasty. It will take 3-4 minutes. When it is hot and start bubbling, then we'll close it. But putting in the achar, we have to make it cool.
So, this is the way how to make oil.
Yeah.
Okay. Make oil. What is
Like
this?
This is already less pickle. You can see this oil. This is almost dry.
Almost finished.
We'll add little here also.
It will be very tasty. What is the name of that pickle, sir?
Which one? That is glue tree.
Blue fruit.
Generally, in our language, it is called suda.
After 1 minute, it's already boiling. Okay, okay, eat now. You and Jenny, go Jenny, already eat. Okay. Kasi hindi ako kakain kasi tapos na akong kumain. At si Sir at si Jenny na lang yung kakain. Dito ako magbantay nitong oil. Ayan, oh. Kasi guys, itong pickle, as in, sobrang sarap niyan. Sobrang. Nagdasal ang amo ko. Yan, naging itim na siya. Ang sakit sa ilong at saka sa mata, guys. Kaya isirado namin to. Sir, I will close now. It become brown. So, yan guys. So, naging brown na siya. So, i-close ko na itong fire at saka i-close ko din itong pinto ng kusina. Kasi sobrang strong.